Stephen, Junior Intern at webamon. Continuing on from our last video where we went over the webamon search, we're now going to see how we can return more information using the filtering and fields. Getting started, we can use the web application, google.webamon.com, or we can use the webamon command line interface installable via pip. In the last webamon basic search video, we looked for WhatsApp. And by default, this returned a table and some default fields if we don't specify them. So if we were to drill in to see what the default fields are, we can do format JSON, and then we can do size 1, so we can look at a single result. Here we have the results, and here we have a single result. So by default, the fingerprint results are returned, metadata, some other results, and then the matched fields. So when we do the basic search, the matched fields will show us where it was found, and in this case it was found in the document object model. But there's nothing here when it comes to servers, domains, or more information that we know that's available. And if we want to see all the information available, we can do the webamon fields command, which by default returns all of the fields we can use. And if we run webamon fields with the help flag, we have a couple of options to help us. So we've search and category. Search allows us to use a string and then look for fields where that's mentioned either in the field name or the field description. So we'll do webamon fields -s, and we want fields related to server. We can see here where servers mentioned in the description for certificate.cipher, and then we also have the fields that include server. So going back to our basic webamon search, where it was WhatsApp, size 1, we can now add the fields server.ip, and then a comma for additional fields, server.server for the name, and we can now see in our results we have the server.server and the server.ip fields. But if we want all the server information, we can do fields followed by server, and then it will include all the fields that are nested underneath. So here is our server object. We have the resources, host and scripts, the country, and everything else. That was how to return more results with the fields command, and as always you can get started on google.webamon.com or using the command line interface installable via pip. Thanking you and happy hunting.